The Indian Council for Historical Research is facing the wrath for opposition of excluding former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's image from its Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav digital poster. Congress leaders termed the move atrocious and petty, saying that the exclusion amounted to injustice as no country removes the first Prime Minister from a poster on the freedom struggle. Lashing out at ruling BJP, Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi said that the country will not forget that the RSS chose to stay away from the Indian freedom movement. Hours after Congress launched a scathing attack, the ICHR issued a clarification saying that no one is trying to undermine Nehru's contribution in freedom struggle. The council is sure to rectify the problem within 2 days. The controversy began on Friday when several leaders of the Congress party shared screenshots of the digital poster on the ICHR website. This poster carried photographs of freedom fighters. There was Mahatma Gandhi. However, there was no mention of country's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Shreya is now joining us live. Shreya, of course, there is going to be chorus that is growing from the opposition parties, especially the Congress party, when you have such an important body missing out the first Prime Minister of the country when they are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Well, you know, that's exactly what is happening. We're seeing that there are statements now coming in from several Congress leaders, including Gaurav Gogoi and Shashi Tharoor, who's also called this incident to be a historical. And even though there's been no comment from the central leadership of the Bharatiya Janata Party, what we have learnt is that the Punjab spokesperson of BJP, Gaurav Goel, he has also come out and stated that there is a reason why Jawaharlal Nehru's photo is omitted from that very picture, because he was responsible for the partition. But as known, the ICHR is set to be rectifying this thing, and that's a statement that has also been put out by the body. But even then, the Congress leaders seem to be extremely irked by this omission, as is likely to be known.
My question here is, has the ICHR made the correction and the rectification as they said they will?
Well, you know, they have asked for a 2 days time because there's been multiple posters that have already been put out, and definitely there will be a time that they would require to correct this. They've asked for a 2 days time. It would be a matter to see that whether by tomorrow that rectification is done, but that official statement has been put out by the body.
Right, leave it at that. Shreya, thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details.